back. Hi, family. We are on our way to do some adult fun. Yay.
What exactly does that mean?
Adult fun. Ooh, what are we about to do?
Red light with the bees.
Yeah. Amazing meeting with my holistic doctor. This is chlorophyll and super green. Today we're going to learn how to shoot. I can't wait to do this, y'all. I cannot wait. Okay. Guys,
45, so
that's a 45.
Yeah, so it's a pretty big bullet. I mean, if you hit somebody right in the shoulder, it'll take your shoulder.
Children born with no last names. What is to become of thee, America?
They're crazy.
Growing up in America KK has its challenges. I've experienced so many things that I wish I have never. I've seen things that I wish I have never seen. You know, I have witnessed people being murdered. I have been kidnapped. I've had guns held to my head. You know, things that it's just not normal. But it's normal in America KK. I know more people that happened to than it hasn't happened to. You know, and that's a shame. And this weapon has always had a fear and ruled. It ruled over my life in fear. Today is the day that I take back that control. I remove fear. Fear is a thief of joy, and I'm taking back my joy. And educate yourself on everything, on all levels.
So yeah, when they call cold range or whatever, you got to stand behind the red line. You're going to use the big ones. They're just safe.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm really ready.
I can't wait. I feel that.
Me too.
We're about to go shooting. I'm so excited.
I suck so bad.
Huh?
I suck so bad.
Oh,
I'm aware.
So it says safe to shoot.
Don't
Okay.
go.
So let's see what Chris and them are doing. So Chris is signing us in. And so it has like a safe to shoot. And he's explaining, I guess he's explaining who we are.
Safety overview. If you want, are you shooting here or we're going to start out here. Okay. So, I mean, we're hot now.
Let's take a picture.
Your firearm. Now would be the time to do it while we're hot because you won't be able to do it.
So if it's safe to shoot, we're not supposed to.
Exactly.
We're never supposed
Breathe.
to.
Safe to shoot. We're not triggering that till we get the audible. We're going to say it's hot. Everyone agree. We're all hot. Agreed. Then we trigger the sight.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now the
You
way
won't
we're
laugh
doing, I
at
can
me
go
if
ahead.
I suck.
Not at all.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and move my firearm.
Yeah, we're hot right now, so you can move everything to the firing line. You just can't go beyond the concrete. So when we go cold, you'll be able to put your target out when we get cold.
Thank
Okay.
you.
If you have any questions, let me know.
What's your name, sir?
It's Len. Len?
Len?
Yeah.
Thank you, Len. You have to sign one of those forms, and then you have to learn the rules of engagement while you're there. When when the field is hot, when you'll see it, it's in red. That means you can shoot, you can handle your gun. You just can't go over the concrete part where all the targets are. And you see that red line on the ground? Well, when the gun range goes cold, everybody has to leave their guns on those tables that's in the on the other side of the red line, and then step where you see my brother-in-law is sitting. He has to stay there. We have to stay there so that people who want to put their targets on the gun range can now be put their guns on the target gun range, and will be safety of any accidental bullets coming away because nobody's handling their gun. Now, do you see those yellow pieces that he has in his hand? Those yellow pieces are like safeties. You put those into the different sockets where the bullets will come through, so that that they stay safe. You do this when the gun range is cold. It's a lot of rules and regulations, y'all. So yeah.
This takes a million years to make an AR. This is an AR round. This is a 5.56. Yeah, 5.56. I mixed some of the rounds in, but this is for the AR. You see, it's not that big. If you see about 30-06, that's just the tip. That's what fires out. My 30-06 tip is probably about that big, the actual bullet that flies out. So, and when we, I'm a member here of 22 round. So you can come over here. That's what a little 22 round is. So, literally, that's all that you're shooting. So, that's all that's firing out. So, but it, once again,
it still does damage.
Yeah, you kill a deer with it. Talk to you, men talk to you, so you know, like right now, we can't go down to do anything. When they call range is cold, then that's when I can go out and put targets out and stuff like that. And we walk it out. We're gonna put our targets right about there.
As an American coming to the continent, there's certain rights that we just have here. And one of them is our Second Amendment right, the right to bear arms. And in that, the right to bear arms, it is a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed.
Reported somebody once before, but cold. So now it's cold. This is when you step behind the red line. You know, just have a seat back here. And we can go and so you see they put the sign up.
Okay, guys. So shooting is, you're going to still hear a little bit of shooting because on the other side of the gun range is where you go and shoot your handguns. So it's still very loud. You know, guns are loud. But we're on the rifle side because we wanted to do that first. The first gun we're going to be shooting is the Ruger AR-1022. I believe that's what it is, the AR-1022. And so our target is not that far, but I really like the Ruger because it's very light. It doesn't hurt your shoulder with the kickback. It has a scope on it. And once you find your target, because it's a little hard because it's like it's like a little black thing inside, so you have to get it perfect on the target. But once you get it on it, you can just like pop out those rounds, which I really love. But
you're behind, that goes around your leg. Glory. Yeah, stand back, yeah. It goes around your belt and holds
gotcha.
And all that stuff.
Okay.
I mean, we're here just doing this now, so like, you know, it goes, well.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I got a gun here, so, but yeah, this kind of goes when this. So, only one person calls me anyway, so, and if I don't answer, you know, so, but yeah, it goes around.
HWELL gonna break loose. You know that.
So, but
you know that.
Time it and turn around quick.
But ain't no need to wear this thing. It just, you know, it pops in. It just goes in like so.
Okay, hey family. There's this article I want to read to you. It's when the Black Panthers carry guns, conservatives supported gun control. It's written by Joshua Manson, a BuzzFeed contributor. And in the article, it talks about the Black Panther Party. The Panthers told recruits that, quote, "The gun is the only thing that will free us, gain us our liberation," end quote. Just a few years earlier, Malcolm X had appeared in an iconic photo in 1964 in Ebony magazine posing with a rifle, creating a striking visual representation of his, quote, "by any means necessary," end quote, strategy of fighting for racial justice. Newton and other party members took advantage of California's permissive open carry law to directly confront law enforcement, quote, "policing the police." Part of the defenders and part of the security patrol, party members listened to Oakland police frequencies on shortwave radio, and when they heard the police officers preparing to make an arrest, rushed to the scene with law books and loaded gun. The altercations never turned violent, but provided some semblance of protection, legal and physical, for those interacting with the police. Okay.
Make it easier. So you're wearing glasses, so you're gonna have that double look. So you want to get can you see? Sometimes you might see black, and that's because you're not holding it tight. You're moving your head, so you're looking at that. So that's why it's more important to kind of lay.
There goes the target. I see it now.
Yeah.
You don't get that sharp
like more on the right
bang that makes you
so
jump.
it helps keep
You
your
hear
head
it.
from every time you see black, you're looking at the optic on the inside of the
Disconcerting
optic.
when it
basically.
goes off. And there's a
Ready
lot
to
of
fire
different
whenever.
kinds of earmuffs you can get. Suspicious ones. I got these. What am I gonna do with these? These are new.
See, if you just keep looking down,
These are actually supposed to do what these do. These are electronic, so I can turn this up and here.
let me find out
Then
where
it
your balls.
automatically shuts off. All right. Now these are supposed to do the same thing. See? You stick those in your ear. Isn't that tiny? I find it's hard to get them out because they have
So
the
remember,
fingers.
that's a
something
it's a jam.
like this.
So you
With
just gotta
those,
pull that back and
you
tilt
know,
it kind
you'd
of to the
still be
side
able
so the round
to
comes
hear
out.
a little bit, but
So we got to double
you know,
it.
you
in
get a
it.
better
so,
seal.
So we're gonna hit the safety off. That little button. Turn it
Same
off.
thing
There you
with
go.
pistols.
And now you're ready.
Doesn't matter how big it is, it's all the grip. And you get a big boom from that too. Like, you know, there's between a 38 and a 45, but it doesn't matter because once you've got that grip,
You can't
you
find
can
it,
control
right?
that
I'm
recoil.
trying to find it. I found it.
Time to learn how
No,
to do that.
no. You take a class and then you let's see. I think the practice.
almost dead center.
They combined them so that.
You're a phenomenal shot.
I haven't taken it. I took the old kind, but you learn about safety, and then you learn about the fundamentals of aiming and stuff, and then you shoot. And then after that, it's what I can do.
Look,
And the more
but you
use
hit
it,
dead center. Check this out. Look through the scope. Those are all your shots on the right side, except for that one off to the right.
We live in Woodbridge, but it's not far.
there's a range in Florton.
Yeah, that's sharpshooters. That's where
Sharpshooters,
actually.
yeah. Sharpshooters is a good place.
Yeah, sharpshooters is good. Actually, bought my. You shot at sharpshooters.
Yeah, but she did a better job.
Yeah, she hit almost dead center. I mean, she's.
You go, girl.
Nah, that's all her on the right in the center. She literally hit.
She just chewed it out.
Yeah. No, sharpshooters, huh?
What did I do?
You did a shot over there.
In the dirt?
Yeah, yeah. It's on the right side.
You want to do it again,
You
Lloyd?
shot the AR for that.
You know,
My
I used to
plan
do
is I was
those.
aiming for the dirt.
You know,
And if it gets weird,
I'm in the circle though.
yeah. Yeah, you're in the circle.
I'm in the circle.
10 shots? Yeah, she literally took the whole bottom
I'm
of
a
the red
G.
dot out.
I'm a shooting, loving PIMP. I'm a G, yes.
That big
I'm a
scary
G.
round everybody's talking about, that's really it. The bullet probably goes to about right here, but it's when you think about it, it's not that big a round. There's a lot of powder. That's all powder there. So I've taken the clip out. There's, but the reason I chose not to go Glock, and I like Springfield Armory. Once again, shoot your gun before you make a decision, rent it or whatever, make a decision to buy one. I like the safety features. I carry concealed all the time. I always carry abdomen or small of the back, or appendix, excuse me. But I like all the safety features. On this one, it doesn't show in the back where the firing pin, but it shows here that there's one in. Also, one in the chamber. So I know there's a bullet there because that little piece is up. So if you see here, you see right there, you can see that there's a bullet. It can fire at any point. So The reason I like this over Glock. Glock doesn't, you see this here? This is a grip safety. If your hand's not pushed up against there and you pull the trigger, it won't fire, okay?
Oh.
So this right here, Glock, all it has is those two. So I'm gonna do it, I'm still gonna hold it tight, but you see, I'm not gonna do that at all. The gun won't fire, okay? It has to have that engaged in order to fire. So once again, I'll still hold it tight, but you see my hand's not on there. There is a bullet live in there, but will not fire. It has to be like that.
How do you reload it?
So you put a clip in.
Oh.
Like that. And what Lori was talking about, how, you know, once again, no finger, you rack it. So usually when you're done with your last bullet, if the clip was in there, it
So
would
every
stay
time
back.
you shoot, you have to pull it back.
Yeah.
And reload it.
Yeah. So this is here for, so I'm a always make sure you clear and all that. This is
One time.
This is a
Okay.
every time you know. So this is a full size. So these are the same. This is a 1911 full size. This is my favorite type of gun. And this is a 45 subcompact for concealment. So this is for fun shooting, and it's pretty as hell.
It is a pretty gun.
And this is for concealed carry.
Now, which one is has a more of a kickback?
So you can control extended clip. That's what that is. These are the two clips. When you buy it, it comes with. So I mean, it just basically extends it a little longer. It's got a little grip thing there.
That one is more. This one is better for you.
Yeah, that's better for me. It'll be better for you too. It has more control because it's not. That's what it is. This right here also has a grip safety. It's 1911, but it's nothing's chambered in it. Once again, nothing's chambered in it. If you see, this comes back. The hammer comes back on this when you rack it or whatever. So this is the safety on one of these, but if there's nothing in there, obviously it's not going to go up. This little safety mechanism right here. So you rack it. So now the hammer's back, and now the safety's on. So if you were to pull the trigger, it wouldn't fire. Boom. That's why I never worry about it. The more you go, that's why it's more realistic.
That makes
It's
sense.
just my thought.
No, that makes sense because if an intruder was coming my way,
How long are you gonna have to sit there? You're giving him more time to get up. I never shoot this. You put it in. Yep. Pull down. There you go. Thumb over thumb.
So what you thought of our gun experience, Lori?
I mean, I just I know how a lot to learn.
Give me.
I feel like I'm a
that
kindergartner.
I feel like we need.
I'm preschool. I'm preschool. Like I'm a little teapot, short and.
I enjoyed it.
Well,
I did too. It was just.
it's not
Where's
that
your
you're
ear thing?
preschool,
Oh, nobody's
you
shooting. We
just
can
don't
take.
do it as much.
Nobody else
Yeah,
is
I guess.
shooting. We can take these off, right?
Yeah, if you want.
Just.
Are the guns all secure?
Yep, everything's
All right.
secure and then.
Range is cold. You can go down and do stuff.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, baby.
Hope you have fun.
Steel as
Yeah.
well. Yeah.
Yeah, this was exhilarating.
Keep my,
Let's see our bullets.
Yeah.
Did we get anything?
Head on out.
Yeah, I'm gonna head out
I
too.
think you got something.
Is there anything that
I know we got something.
I think I got maybe one or two. But I did better than last time. Hey, I did better than last time, right?
Yeah, they're done.
Yeah.
Because I think that was
So-
Yeah.
This is a bullet. This is why I was looking for, so you guys
can
can see it. That's literally one of the bullets we shot today.
It was good meeting you guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice meeting
buddy. I appreciate
you.
it, Lenny.
Thank you for everything.
Take care.
Look at that.
You can
Wow.
put that souvenir.
That's my souvenir. Drink your water, Lori.
Oh yeah, can you grab my water? I want to drink it.
That sounded so
This is a 45.
insincere. The target.
Oh.
And then don't forget to sign out.
Okay, yeah, we'll do. Thank you, buddy.
That's our target.
There we go. Yep. All the big holes are where the 45 hit. Y'all were shooting a 45 today. So all of this was done today.
All right, that's us on the shooting range, guys. This was fun.
Just go inside that bag right there.
Okay.
And
Thank you, Chris.
oh, no problem.
Thank you, Lori.
Oh, no problem. You can borrow my husband anytime.
I can borrow your hubby.
Absolutely.
Thank you. You're so great.
I'd rather be at home baking banana bread.
So that was the Global Green Book. Thank you for watching us on the gun range. It was fun.
It was super fun, and I didn't suck as bad as I thought I was going to.
go to Africa?
Go to live? Or
Yeah,
go
go to live.
No, because I'm going to be with you. So build me a house too. Build me a house.
Build you a house.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you're going to be sponsoring this said house?